Okay, so we are living with the coordinate plane here, right? So we're sort of exploring and making sense of this. So in this coordinate plane here, the plane is created by two axes coming together, our x going sideways and our y going up and down, x, y. When they intersect at a 90-degree angle, we have a coordinate plane, right? We have this sort of space to make two-dimensional figures appear. So with that, we have the origin right here, and we have a series of these different points in different quadrants. It's also possible, as you'll see, for points like point B to be in our coordinate plane, but not in a quadrant, because you'll see point B is actually just on our axis, on the y-axis. Wherever they're located, right, they have a specific way to get there. They have a specific sort of address, a location in which that point lives. So your job here is to identify the location of the point and then record the coordinates. Okay, so for point A, we would say we're always going to start at the origin, and then we're going to sort of hop over. So we'll hop, 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 hop until that point is directly above you, right? It might be on the line like it is in this case, or sometimes it might be slightly off, but until it's just right above you, okay? And then you'll say, haha, I don't need to go over anymore. I'm going to now go up because A is a positive number, so we need to go up. We'll hop up, 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 up. So what we see here is that our x coordinate is going to be gathered by how many hops we took left from the origin, because you must walk before you can jump, if you will, or you need to sort of go along your x before you can go up or down. X comes before Y in a coordinate plane and in our alphabet. So we're going to 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to move 4 in the left direction or the negative direction. And then we're going to move 4 up or in the positive direction. So the coordinates are -4, 4, and a more specific way to write them as an ordered pair would be to put a comma between them and then these little parentheses. It's sort of like if this is an address, right? It's like the little house that it's living in. So you can go ahead and find the ordered pairs of each of these other points here. And then you can move into this skill review, right? So here we are in this skills review. So here's a quick review, right? You can read it on your own. I recommend underlining or highlighting things that stand out to you. Think about how you're feeling about this skill and what is either really clear, extra notes to yourself, or if there's things you don't understand, you can write here. So for a little bit more practice, you're going to do the same thing, but in the opposite direction. So instead of being given a point and finding its ordered pair or its location, its address on this coordinate plane, you're going to go ahead and take the points, write it specifically as an ordered pair, and then graph it. So we'll do one together here. So we're going to say, all right, 3, but not just any 3, -3, comma, 5, x, y. We're going to put our little house around it so it's nice and safe, or ordered pairs have a comma between them so it doesn't look like -35. It looks like -3 and then 5. And now we're going to go ahead and graph it. So we start at the origin. This tells us which direction to go from the origin. -3 is going in the left direction. 1, 2, 3. So we're going to pause right here. And then our y coordinate tells us either if we're going up or down. So 5 is positive, so we'll go up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to put our point right here. So this point -3, 5 in red lives right there. I might then choose another color, write 4, 3, right? And then I would go ahead and plot this point. So you can go ahead and write it as an ordered pair and then plot it on the coordinate.